Hi, thanks for watching our videos. Before we start today's video, we would like to make a request. Our goal is to reach the 1000 subscribers mark. For this to be achieved, our channel needs your full support. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and help us reach 1000 subscribers. Now let's start today's video. Shane-Kane-Rock-Austin The Rock Stone Cold Steve Austin vs. D-Generation X, Survivor Series Match SmackDown November 4, 1999. Shane speared the Road Dogg after DX came out, and the match got underway. Once Kane was tagged in, all hell broke loose and all 8 superstars battled in and out of the ring.
One for the Road Dogg, one for Triple H.
Inside the ring, Mr. Ass nailed Kane with the Fame-asser and X-Pac, followed up with the X-Factor, and Kane was eliminated. Just after Vince McMahon made his way to the ring, X-Pac hit Shane with the X-Factor, and the Boy Wonder was eliminated, leaving Austin and The Rock alone against all 4 members of DX. The People's Champion pinned Road Dogg after a rock bottom.
Road Dogg's eliminated.
And then the sides were evened with Austin finished off X-Pac with a stunner. After The Rock surprised Mr. Ass, reversing a rollup into a pin.
Rock reverses. He's got
The Great One himself was eliminated when Triple H delivered a pedigree.
Triple H delivered.
That left Stone Cold Steve Austin and Triple H as the final 2 participants, with Vince watching intently at ringside.
This is it, Michael. Look at Vince McMahon to 1-0.
And then it was deja vu time. Vince entered the ring with the Federation Championship and he seemed to aim for Triple H, but the champion moved and Vince, inadvertently, hit the Rattlesnake.
McMahon, let's go!
Austin was pinned, and after the match, he stared down the owner, who claimed that it was a mistake.
I'm Stone Cold.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.